Yo, what's up, everyone? So, you just got your shiny new Chime card in the mail, huh? And now you're wondering, how the heck do I activate this thing? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. I know what you're thinking. It's just a card, how hard can it be to activate? Trust me, I've been there. I thought the same thing. But then I opened the card, stared at it for a solid 5 minutes, and realized I had no clue what to do next. Don't worry, I'm about to save you from that awkward moment. Now, there are a couple of ways to activate your Chime card. We're going to break them down, step by step, so you can choose the method that works best for you. Let's start with the most common and easiest way, the Chime app. Activating your Chime card through the app. First things first, make sure you have the Chime app downloaded and installed on your phone. If not, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and grab it. Once you're in the app, log into your account. You should see a little card-shaped widget somewhere on your home screen. It might say something like card status or your card is ready. Tap on that. A big, green button that says Activate Card should pop up. Click it. Next, you'll need to enter the CVV number. This is the 3-digit code on the back of your card. Type it in and hit Submit. Boom, your card is activated. But wait, there's more. You'll also need to set a PIN for your card. This is for ATM and in-store purchases. Follow the prompts on the app to create a PIN. Easy peasy, right? What if you don't have the app? Don't panic. There's another way to activate your card. You can do it over the phone. Dial Chime's customer service number, which is 1-844-244-6363. You'll go through an automated system, so be ready to input your card information and follow the prompts. Troubleshooting tips. If you're having trouble activating your card, don't freak out. Here are a few things to try. Double-check the CVV number. It's easy to mistype those little digits. Make sure you're entering the correct card information. Sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how often this happens. If you're still having issues, reach out to Chime's customer support. They're there to help. Additional tips. Once your card is activated, you can start using it right away for online purchases. However, for in-store purchases or ATM withdrawals, you'll need to wait for your card to arrive in the mail. Also, keep in mind that it might take a few days for your card to be fully activated and ready for use. So don't panic if you can't use it immediately. And there you have it. Activating your Chime card is a breeze. With these steps, you should be able to get your card up and running in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and activate that card. And while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.